Cayman, open up a path.
Catherine, prepare nerve stimulant. Extracting now.
Yay! I found an island!
Commander!
It's your turn now. You'll never find me.
Careful!
They're here?
They are everywhere.
No, no. Where's Bonnie?
Above you. My turn.
Wait! I'll finish this with my own hands to avenge my daughter.
We know you'll never stop fighting.
I'll stop when they're all dead.
Origin has fallen, its denizens fractured. Recruit a former companion and liberate the planet. The cinders of hope rests in your hands.
We are masters of our own fate. May the blessing of the light illuminate our soul.
We study the universe with blood. Physical strength is all that matters.
We are masters of our own. May the blessing of.
We study physical strength.
We are masters of our own fate.
After 10 years, your flying got even worse. I thought your time with the Coalition...
And you didn't change one bit. Still talking with that viper's tongue. Fighting with the Coalition government again, but now the Coalition only exists in name. The reason why I assembled all our remaining troops to save you...
You saved the wrong guy. I'm just a criminal.
I know you've been hunting Astra for clues and have info about them. We can assemble a new research team to work out the movements of Astra.
You've been hanging out with the army for far too long. Have you forgotten I'm still a bounty hunter?
Back to old tricks, S? How about I sweeten the deal then?
Faster!
My goodness, you're alive! It is so wonderful to see you again! Please, allow me to conduct a thorough health check for you, so I can—
These are the black market robots you modified illegally. You cooperate with us, we—
Now there's the Catherine I know. But we're just break—
Thought you might say that. Here.
Phase activation key. Alright, Catherine, you got—
I'm almost insulted, S. We know each other better than that. Starting from
Hello, I'm so glad to see you again.
They didn't wipe your memory? Fantastic. As you can see, the city's already overrun. We need—
Of course, Ocelot City has no government. You can start by razing the old buildings and relocate the underground bounty hunter base.
Good idea. I've been wanting to do that for a decade.
Let's start from the Bounty Hunter City Hall. It's under that space jazz. Follow my guidance and demolish the Nat King Cole pub, which is sitting atop your... The rescue team is about to exhaust the emergency food reserve they carry. We can reclaim some land inside the city, and... Now you can harvest the crop. A gas well provides energy for our city. Please...
What's going on?
Alert. Unknown threat detected on the plaza above us. Risk level 3.
Unknown threat. Rude little bastards. Good. It should be a good...
Ah, nuts! Get off my tail! Help!
This voice. Why does it sound...
Four heavily...
How could they have evolved so much? This was supposed to be a small...
Don't kill me! I don't want to die!
Who is it?
Rob 1!
Scanning. Rodent mutant from planet SR388. Wanted...
I know who this is.
Don't kill me! I don't want to die! What you looking at?
Is this... Faye? What...
My data shows his name is Fluffy. You took on this bounty.
Ah, yes, I remember now.
Get your hands off my head! I'm warning ya, I could have handled it without you if y'all had—
Try and hug me, Mr. Fluffy.
Meat!
Don't come any closer.
Oh my god, it's been—
I recommend letting Fluffy stay with us.
not happening! I will not become—
Well, we can do this another way.
What? What do you want? Point that gun—
A number of people were rescued with Fluffy. They propose repairing the infantry barracks to train volunteers into soldiers. You have built an infantry barracks. You may now start training your soldiers. The northern area of Ocelot City is already rebuilt. You may recover the electric generator for the city wall. I have dispatched Rock 2 to inspect the old radar system in the northeast.
Hey! It's in good condition, but the area has an Astra stronghold, much larger than the one we just cleared. It's too dangerous to deploy our soldiers now.
In that case, I recommend building a Titan. With a Titan, we can greatly reduce our mission time. Now, please build a Titan dock following my instructions. Now you have built a Titan, we can march out to attack the Astra stronghold. You need a hero to lead the army on a marching Titan. Please select a hero. Different soldiers need to be led by different heroes. After you activate auto-assign, I will choose the best units for you. Now we can recover. We have successfully recovered the radar. Power it on to begin surveillance of enemy forces outside the city wall.
Master, there seems to be something waking up in the southwest.
No, it's Astra.
Quickly, switch on the electric wire. Faye, send Rob 1 to survey the area. I have a hunch that the fall of Ocelot City has something to do with the danger.
Sure. Good morning. I have sent the details of Rob 1's survey our city's south. In the wreckage, we found traces of life.
Understood. Prepare the men for extract.
I have made a rescue plan. Please follow. The situation in the southwest is very unpredictable. With our current power,
What about the little tree rat we just saved? Bring him along and we might...
Our system has not detected Mr. Fluffy's presence inside the city.
He's fast. Faye, is there any way we can bring him back quick?
I will analyze the Shadow Realm in our city and connect it with the old info-sharing system. Then we can bring Mr. Fluffy back to Ocelot City. I will show you how to capture Fluffy back to Ocelot City.
Huh? Hands off my tail! Fine, Cone. I was already so far away. How come I'm back?
Little tree rat, are you gonna run again?
I know it was you! Ah, nuts!
Shut up if you want any meat at all.
Although we have 2 heroes, supporting an extra team is a high cost. If we repair the research center, we can conduct research to support 2 teams more efficiently. We can now send another hero to the southwest.
Nuts! I just got back and you guys are putting me through all this already.
Is it you, Mr. S?
Yes, it's me. You're
S! It's dangerous here. Leave, quickly!
What is it?
There are many more monsters in the south. It's a miracle that we have—
They occupied our old bounty hunter comm system, cutting off the entire—
Faye, send Rob 1 to take a look.
Yes.
S, it's good to have you back.
Rob 1 has sent back survey results.
Not looking good.
We now have enough soldiers to attack the Astra Hive and take back the Bounty Hunter comm system.
Great. Everything depends on this battle.
Yes. Wish you great. There is a critical risk in your city. Please use training accelerator. You are strong enough to take on the Astra Hive. Strike now.
Blades out! Blades out!
Congratulations. Every security risk inside the city has been resolved. But your close supervision...
Don't worry. I'll do my best.
Master, we received a message.
Z? Is he still alive?
S! I can't believe my eyes when I saw your signal. Things are worse than ever. You'd be naive to think Astra are your biggest threat. However, there's an abundance. After hearing that you're still alive, Denver immediately rushed to meet you. S, stay alive.
Keeping alive's about all we can do now. Faye, where are those—
In the research center. We can activate them after the scout hangar is completed and have them explore areas around the city. We will... The scouts are ready. You can now explore freely.
Master, intelligence received from outside the city. You can upgrade your intelligence level. Here are the intelligence tasks you have received. This shelter is hanging on by a thread. Please save the residents there immediately.
I'll put open a new path.
Shelters are widely scattered across the map. After the Silent Fall, most residents at shelters are kind and friendly. They're very happy to help those who... You have constructed a hospital where severely wounded army units can be... You can upgrade your hospital to increase its capacity. Tap heal. After this upgrade,
You won't know fear until you've experienced hell.
upgrading hero level will upgrading hero skills can make your hero launch more powerful skills. Upgrading hero skill will. Lastly, promoting a hero's rank will increase the promoting hero rank. Will
Feel my wrath! Feel my wrath!
True and ardent love's hard to come by. Mozo with me gotta fight. Nothing.
Fenrir, I've been waiting for you since I got the message from Z. Doing well? You still in the intelligence business?
Hey, we can catch up later. For now, you must have some questions for me. The first.
What the hell happened when I was in prison the last 10 years?
8 years ago, Astra invaded Origin on a massive scale. 10 times their attack. Despite that, our technology and military have improved so we can now briefly hold them off. For now, the monsters lie dormant, but with such large numbers, they began releasing a vapor that covered Origin in fog. Inhaling excessive vapor, people on Origin have grown tolerant of low-density vapor, but you haven't been exposed to it for 10 years.
What do you mean by Astra?
Seriously? 10 years of prison life take your memory too? Astra are the all known planets in the universe where life existed have been completely sucked dry, with the exception of Origin, where you humans.
What does Z mean by the thing more dreadful than
The Astra invasion tore down the veneer of prosperity the Coalition government so carefully maintained. Now the Coalition only exists. There are many armed groups on Origin working together to fight Astra. Theoretically, in this chaotic age full of opportunities, there are always those who want to seize power. They attack and take over others. However, a young city such as yours is protected from such attacks in the near.
Fenrir, if you were me, what would you...
My dear friend, whatever road you choose, you must improve your old partners are scattered all over Origin. If you want to join a new group, please select one where people appreciate your ideas. It'll save you a lot of trouble.
I don't have any question at the moment. I'll definitely ask you when I...
All right, my friend. Beware of things.
Here is an overview of the Alliance. Here are the various switch.